get in here, bro. If you want to know how to mix candy like a pro, stay tuned. All right, so one of the things that we get questions about mixing our inner coat and our candy concentrate. So candy concentrate is mixed 8 parts of inner coat to 1 part of candy concentrate. Here's a can of our candy concentrate. On this one, we're using Harvest Gold. This is our candy concentrate. It's a polyurethane. So we're gonna mix this. We got 8 to 1 and then 1 to 1. So we're gonna go 8 parts of inner coat. We took this to the 5. Now we're gonna open up the candy concentrate. Candy concentrates have a little security seal plug. I'm going to take this right to the 1. There you go. It's 8 to 1. Now, this is what we recommend, 8 to 1. Doesn't mean you have to do it. If you want to make your color a little more concentrated or darker, you can add more candy. But for this demonstration, I want to make it exactly. And here now we mix them together. And now we have our beautiful candy. And the only thing we need in this equation is reducer. So now we have the 8 parts inner coat to 1 part candy concentrate. Nice. Now your total mix volume is what you're gonna add for reducer. So now we have 8 to 1, so it gives us 12 ounces. The 12 ounces is including the inner coat and the candy. So now we're gonna go 1 to 1. So we're gonna add another additional 12 ounces of reducer, and that's gonna give us a true candy mix ratio. Now here we have medium reducer, Tropical Blitz. So here we're gonna pour in the reducer. And now we have a 1 to 1 perfect mix of candy ready to spray. And that's how we perfectly mix our candy. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna mix a little bit the reducer. Now remember, this is how we recommend it as the manufacturer. You can add more candy concentrate. If you want to cover your colors faster, you're more than welcome to add more candy to it. But this is what we have here for candy. Click here for more videos like this, and if you want to see more, let us know. Put some comments down below.